Hello students, welcome back. Now in this module we are going to discuss about essay type questions from the chapter quadratic equations which were given frequently in board examinations. See, focusing more on quadratic equations because this is not only important for our board examinations, it is very important in plus 1, plus 2 as well as intermediate also. So in order to score more marks, if you get perfection from this chapter, then easily you can crack every single problem from polynomials chapter also. So that is why focusing more on these quadratic equations, right? So coming to the first problem, here the first problem is solve for x. 2x by x minus 5 whole square plus 2x by x minus 5 minus 24 equal to 0. What is your strategy in order to solve this problem? 2x by x minus 5 whole square minus plus 2x by x minus 5 minus 24 equal to 0, right? Will you square this first and then take LCM and then simplify and then get quadratic equation? That is one strategy. And there is one more strategy if I am not wrong, that see 2x by x minus 5 is there in first term as well as second term. So that instead of squaring this and making it very much complicated, I would do one thing, that let 2x divided by x minus 5 is equal to some k. Okay? If you substitute k in the place of 2x by x minus 5, then your quadratic equation will become k square plus 2k minus 24 is equal to 0. Now see, very much simpler this is. And now try to find out the factors by any of your algebraic methods. Alright? Let me try with, what is that? Factorization method. So k square into minus 24. So that is minus 24 k square. Okay? Because k square into minus 24 is equal to minus 24 k square. And what are the factors? See, minus, right? So that one should be negative, one should be positive. Because product of negative and positive only negative. Otherwise, product of both the numbers which are positive, that is positive, both of them are negatives, then product is positive. So that is why one is positive, one is negative. And then if both of them are different signs, then you will have to subtract one factor from the other. Then what are the factors of 24? Let us go from 1. 1 24s are 24. 24 minus 1 is equal to 23, but is 2. Next, 24. 12 2s are 24, but 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, right? Yes. See here, middle term sign is positive. So the bigger gets the positive sign. So bigger is 6 4s are 24, right? 6 and 4. And this is 6k and this is 4k. Let me write them. This is k square plus 2k. That is going to be minus 4k plus 6k minus 24 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms, you have k common, remaining k minus 4. From these two terms, you can take one 6 common, then you get k minus 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. Totally, we have k minus 4 common times, here it is k plus 6 is equal to 0. So when product of two terms equal to 0, either first term equal to 0 or second term is equal to 0. So when first term is equal to 0, then k minus 4 is equal to 0 or k plus 6 is equal to 0. If k minus 4 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 4. K plus 6 is equal to 0, then k is equal to negative 6. Correct? K is equal to 4 or k is equal to negative 6. But k is our creation. What is k? Basically, k is 2x by x minus 5, right? Now, if the value of k is equal to 4, so k is nothing but 2x by x minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay? Let us try to simplify to get the value of x. 2 1s 2, 2 2s are 4. By cross multiplication, 2x minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to x into 1 is equal to x. So transpose plus x towards left hand side, minus 10 towards right hand side. So 2x minus x is equal to 10. 2x minus x is equal to 10. So this is one value of x. What could be the other value of x? if the value of k is one more value, right? If the value of k is equal to negative 6, but k is 2x by x minus 5, so 2x by x minus 5 is equal to negative 6. Again 2 1s and 2 3s are 6. By cross multiplication, 3 into x is equal to 3x, minus 3 5s are 15, but negative sign is already there. What should we do? Okay, no problem, multiply with negative only, which is equal to x into 1 is equal to x. Transpose negative 3x that side, so 15 is equal to x plus 3x. Okay, x plus 3x is equal to 4x is equal to 15. Therefore, the value of x is going to be 15 divided by 4. So, these two are the value of x which satisfies this given equation. So that please be very careful in order to find the factors and then find out the roots of this kind of equations especially. Right? Moving on to the next problem. So here 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. See again, this equation has 1, 2, 3 different terms. So the only thing here is simplification. Okay, by using proper techniques. So first of all, let me write the given problem, that is 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9. 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. See, observe the terms, first two terms. Here x minus 3 is there in the denominator, 2x plus 3 is there in the denominator, but here both of them are there. So, of course the LCM is going to be this. So for that, we'll do one thing, we'll try to make the denominators equal. So this is x minus 3. 2x plus 3 is missing, so into 2x plus 3. So denominator 2x plus 3 means numerator also 2x plus 3. And here the denominator is 2x plus 3, x minus 3 is missing, so that into x minus 3. So the numerator is also into x minus 3. Now all the denominators are same. Directly we can add the numerators. That implies 2x into 2x plus 3. What is 2x into 2x? 2 2s are 4, x square. Plus 2x into 3 is equal to 6x. That is the first numerator. And second numerator is 1 into x minus 3 is x minus 3. Plus third numerator is 3x plus 9 whole divided by, the denominator is going to be x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So again by cross multiplication, this one is equal to 0. Then the numerator would be 4x square and x terms are 6x plus x is equal to 7x plus 3x is equal to 10x. So plus 10x. And here it is minus 3 plus 9. What is minus 3 plus 9? Plus 6 is equal to 0. Got it? So from all the terms of the numerator, I think 2 can be taken common. So 2 into 2x square plus 2 into 5x plus 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 0. I think everything is positive here, right? 2x square plus 5x plus 3. That implies 2 cannot be 0. Remaining 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it possible to find out the factors by using splitting middle term method? See here, 2 3s are 6. Okay? If 2 3s are 6, what are the factors of 6? 6 1s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that I can write this one as 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. From the first two terms you can take one 2x common, remaining x plus 1. From these two terms you can take one 3 common, remaining x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? So totally we have x plus 1 factor. So that x plus 1 is the first factor into, here the remaining term is 2x and here plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again product of two terms equal to 0. Either first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. If x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to negative 1. 2x plus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to negative 3 divided by 2. So these two are the values of x which satisfies the given equation. But here observe one thing, x cannot be 3 and minus 3 by 2. But here we got one of the factors is minus 3 by 2. So that this is not the possible value, because when you substitute minus 3 by 2 here, it will be vanished. Means it will be undefined. It will be undefined. Got it? So that is why x cannot be negative 3 by 2. So the only possible value of x is negative 1. See how typical problem and moreover how technical problem this is. Hope you understand. Right. Moving on to the next problem. P and Q are centers of circles of radii 9 centimeters and 2 centimeters respectively. PQ is equal to 17 centimeters. R is the center of the circle of radius x centimeters which touch the above externally. See here, P and Q are the centers of two circles. Radius of P, for example, I would like to draw the circle here. So this is one circle whose radius is equal to, how much is this? 9 centimeters. So the center is equal to, which is P. And the second circle radius is equal to 2 centimeters. So 9 centimeters plus 2 centimeters is equal to 11 centimeters. It means both the circles here, the distance between their centers is equal to 17. It means P and Q are centers of two circles, right? They are not even touching externally also. They are not even touching externally. So I am just drawing a circle here. So this is another circle whose center is Q, but the distance between both the centers is going to be 17 centimeters. The distance between PQ. And there is another circle whose center is R, touching both the two circles externally. Means, how do you draw another circle? I am just drawing randomly the another circle. This is the another circle whose center is at R. For example, this is the center of both the circles. Then given that angle PQR is 90 degrees, angle PQR is 90, so that when you join these two and when you join these two, PQR is 90 means this angle is going to be 90 degrees. If this angle is 90 degrees, then the side opposite to 90 degrees is PR would be the hypotenuse. So according to the given problem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square, because hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. But see here, PQ is going to be, what is PQ? PQ is equal to 17, that was given, and R is the center of the circle of radius. So this is X, this is also X. But what is this length from here to here? This is the radius of the first circle P, that is 9 centimeters. And Q to here, this is 2 centimeters. So observe here clearly, PR is equal to what? 9 plus X. So 9 plus X whole square is equal to PQ square. PQ is equal to 17. So 17 square plus QR is going to be 2 plus X whole square. 2 plus X whole square. Have you understood what is this problem? See, P and Q are centers of two circles. So this is one circle P, and this whose center is at P, and this is another circle whose center is at Q. And the radius of this circle is 9 centimeters. Radius of this circle is 2 centimeters. But the distance between both the two circles, the centers of two circles is 17. It was given. So that according to this, this is 9 and this is 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So it should be more than 11. It means both the two circles whose centers are P and Q are not even touching externally. So that leaving some gap between both the two circles. And there is another circle whose center is at R, which touches both the two circles externally. Okay? And whose, what is this? Whose radius is equal to some X. According to this, angle PQR is given as PQR is equal to 90. PQR is equal to 90 means it is a right triangle. Since it is a right triangle, angle opposite, see this is the side, this is what is the greatest angle, right? This angle is 90 and the side opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. So PR is the hypotenuse, Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Hope you understand? Now simplify. What is 9 plus x whole square? It is in the form of a plus b whole square. 9 square 81 plus x square plus 2ab. 2 into 9 is equal to 18x, which is equal to 17 square. 17 square equal to 289 plus 2 plus x whole square is again in the form of a plus b whole square. 2 square is equal to 4 plus x square plus 2 2s are 4x. Correct? So x square and x square gets cancelled. Since you want the value of x, do one thing, transpose 4x towards left hand side and 81 towards right hand side. That implies 18x minus 4x is equal to 289. 289 plus 4. What is 289 plus 4? That is 293 minus 81 should be here. So finally 3 minus 1 is equal to 3. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and then 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and 2 already there. 18x minus 4x is equal to 14x. So therefore x is equal to divided by 14. 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20, 2 6 are 12. So can you cancel 106 by 7? 7 1s are 7. No, it cannot be possible. So therefore the value of x is equal to 106 divided by 7 centimeters. Okay, so this way we can find out the value of x. Coming to the next problem. See, this kind of problems are pretty much easier and they are very very important also. The total cost of a certain length of cloth is 200 rupees. If the piece was 5 meters longer and each meter of cloth cost 2 rupees less, the cost of the piece would have remained unchanged. So the cost remains same. How long is the piece and what is the original rate per meter? See, there are two things that we need to understand here. We do not know what is the total length of the cloth. So I would like to start with total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth is equal to some x meters. Okay, that is the total length of the cloth. So now after finding total length of the cloth, I would like to take something like total cost of the cloth is equal to 200 rupees. Total cost is equal to 200 rupees. Suppose I have 5 meters of cloth whose cost is equal to 200 rupees. Then what is the cost of 1 meter cloth? 200 divided by 5. So that is going to be 40 rupees. Like that, total length of the cloth is equal to x meters. Then total cost is given, right? So total cost is going to be total cost of the cloth. Total cost of the cloth is equal to how much? Rupees 200. So I would like to find then cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to how much? 200 divided by x. But see again, if the piece was 5 meters longer, means original cloth is x meters, but the cloth increased by 5 meters, means there is x plus 5 meters of cloth, and of cost 2 rupees less. So it means what? The cost remains unchanged. Then the cost between the original cloth of 1 meter and now the cloth of 200 divided by x plus 5 meters is equal to 2 rupees. That is what is the difference between the cost of 1 meter cloth. So according to the given problem, now the new cloth is going to be 200 divided by x plus 5. So 200 divided by x plus 5, the difference between both the costs is going to be 2 rupees. This is what is the symbol for a difference. 200 divided by x, the difference between 200 by x and 200 by x plus 5 is equal to 2. See here, if the number of meters is increased, then the cost would be decreased. So according to this given problem, it would be 200 by x minus 200 by x plus 5 is equal to 2. How do you simplify this? I would like to take one 200 common from the numerator. So 200 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 2 means 2 divided by 1. See the calculation strategies here. 2 ones, 2 hundreds are 200, and finally here it is 100 times x plus 5 into 1 is x plus 5 minus x divided by x into x plus 5 is x square plus 5x is equal to 1 divided by 1. Again minus x plus x cancel, and here it is x square plus 5x, right? Now observe clearly, by cross multiplication x square plus 5x is equal to 100 into 5 is equal to 100 into 5. So when I transpose 100 into 5 this side, then x square plus 5x minus 100 into 5 is equal to 0. Okay? So why did I write 100 into 5 instead of 500? Because you see this is 5. If you can express this 100 into 5 as product of two consecutive multiples of 5, your matter is over. So that I am going to take this 105 and I am going to write this as product of two consecutive multiples of 5. One 5 is already there. Can I write this 100 as 5 into something? Yes, 5 into 20 is equal to 100. So there are two 5s. Can you write that 20 as product of two consecutive numbers? Obviously, that is 4 5s are 20. So it is 5 into 4 into 5 into 5. Now you see 5 4s and 5 5s. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. So that I would like to write this as x square. Instead of this, I am going to write 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 25 is bigger, right? So that plus 25x minus 20x, of course, minus this entire number. From the first two terms, I can take one x common, remaining x plus 25. From these two terms, I can write minus 20 common, remaining x plus 25 is equal to 0. So totally we have x plus 25 times x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x plus 25 into x minus 20 equal to 0, since the product of two terms is 0, either first term is 0 or second term is 0. So it means x plus 25 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0. If x plus 25 equal to 0, x equal to minus 25, x is equal to 20. So this way we can find out the values of x. But x cannot be negative, because what is x? The total length of the cloth cannot be negative. Therefore, the total length of the cloth is equal to 20 meters. Understand? Right. Moving on to the next problem. Solve for x. 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus x minus 2 into x minus 3. Like that, we have up to 1 by x minus 5 into x minus 6 equal to 5 by 6. What is your strategy to solve this problem? Will you take LCM for all the numbers? What is LCM, you know? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into x minus 6. Is it really possible to find out the simplest form of this given problem? Not at all. Then definitely you will have to use your brain. Observe here, x minus 1 into x minus 2. For any value of x belong to any natural number. Okay? X minus 5 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is the product of two consecutive integers. 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 So I can just think and compare this with 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 plus so on plus 1 divided by like n into n plus 1. Right? All the denominators are product of two consecutive numbers. In order to solve this, 1 by 1 into 2. 1, 2. What is the difference? 1 is only the difference. 2, 3, again 1 is only the difference. 3, 4, 1 is the difference. N plus 1, 1 is only the difference. If the difference of the terms of the denominator is 1 and all the numerators are same, then I can write this as 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Observe here, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 1 2s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1. 2 minus 1 divided by 1 into 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, I can write this as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Correct? If you simplify this, 3 1s are 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3. 1 divided by 2 into 3. Like that, the next one can be written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. And so on. Last one can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Now you see, all the terms, minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3, 4, till here, all the terms gets cancelled. Finally, you left with 1 by 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. It can be solved easily. This is what is the strategy behind answering this problem. Hope you understand. Now, going to this 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, see here 1 by 1 into 2 is there. So 1 is smaller than 2. That's why 1 by 1 is bigger than 1 by 2. X minus 1 is smaller than x minus 2, or x minus 2 is smaller than x minus 1. X minus 2 is smaller than x minus 1 because you are subtracting bigger from x. If you are subtracting bigger from x, then it would be the smaller. Then 1 by that smaller would be bigger. Don't get any confusion. Here 2 is subtracting from x. Here 1 is subtracting from x. When 2 is subtracting from x, then it would be smaller than the number when it is subtracted from 1. 1 is subtracted from the number. So that is why here x minus 2 is smaller, then 1 by x minus 2 is greater. Then 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1 will become x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1. Minus of x minus 2 is minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Then minus x plus x cancel. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by the same number. You understand? So we can apply the same strategy in order to write for the other terms. Okay? Now let us start. The first term that I am going to write here as 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1. Plus second one is 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 2. Plus next one is 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 3. Plus 1 by x minus 5 minus 1 by x minus 4. Plus last one is 1 by x minus 6 minus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 5 by 6. Now see the cancellation. Minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2, minus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3, minus 1 by x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 4, minus 1 by x minus 5 plus 1 by x minus 5 gets cancelled. You left with only two terms. First one is minus 1 by x minus 1, last one is 1 by x minus 6. That implies first write positive number, that is 1 by x minus 6 minus, here it is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 5 divided by 6. Clear? Now take the LCM. Then you will get x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1. Minus of x minus 6 is minus x plus 6 whole divided by x minus 6 into x minus 1 is x square. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7x. 6 ones are 6 is equal to 5 divided by 6. Can we cancel minus x and plus x? And then minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. So I can write it as 5 divided by x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 5 divided by 6. Again 5 ones cancel. By cross multiplication, you get x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 6. Again 6 and 6 gets cancelled, left with 0. That implies x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Since the product of two terms equal to 0, either first term equal to 0, that is x into x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 0 or 7. But is x equal to 0 possible? Yes, it is possible because 1 by 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. It is defined. So that the possible values of x are 0 or 7. So this way we can answer all 5 marks problems easily. Please be focused. These problems are pretty much easier and you can score easily more than 80% if you follow the class properly. Hope you understand and enjoy the class. Thank you.